Let's make some smoked turkey neck bones and rice. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Okay, Adorners, so I have some smoked turkey necks that I got in the store. Bones, pork, I could not find any, and so I decided to go ahead and get some turkey. I am going to go ahead, I turned my Crockpot. This is my trusted Crockpot from my grandmother. And I have about 1.5 quarts of water. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. Okay, Adorners, so I've done a large chop on some white onion and washed our neck bones, you can see. And I'm going to score these just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and shake in some garlic powder. I probably will add in some salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add in our neck bones and score them. Alright, and I'm just going to let these cook up for a few hours. And okay, Adorners, so my turkey necks have been cooking for a few hours, about 3 hours. I am pulling them or cutting the meat off the bone. I have some great value parboiled rice. Don't forget, Adorners, we're specifically using parboiled rice. Look for parboiled.
Let me just show you. Alright, and I'm just kind of pulling them off the bone. I'm going to let them cook for about 30 more minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so I'm adding in 1.5 cups of rice. I'm going to give that a quick stir around. Cover it all up. Alright. And I am going to cover and let this cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, Adorners, so now you see it's been about 15 to 20 minutes and our turkey necks, smoked turkey necks and rice are ready to go. Right, I'm just going to stir that just a little bit and turn it off. Turn it off and let it sit. Ready to eat. Yum, yum, yum.
Don't forget, you can put these on before you go to work. You come home, you put your rice in, 10-15 minutes ready to eat.
Don't forget parboiled, specifically parboiled rice.
See you in the next video. Are you subscribed? And did you like this video? Don't forget,